Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this $30 wig that I got from Amazon. Yes, I said $30. I'm gonna let y'all know if this wig was worth it or not. I love the color, I must say. The color is cute. Okay, Amazon, I'm gonna put everything in the description so you guys can go check it out if you want to. And the only thing that I was very upset with about this wig, the first thing is it took like 2 months to get it. I don't know if it was because like we were under lockdown and stuff like that, and you know, quarantine, we was doing all that crazy stuff. But yeah, it took me like, I ordered it in March and I got it yesterday, and yesterday was June the 10th, I think. June the 11th I got it. So I ordered it in March and I got it June the 11th. Like, that's almost 3 months actually, but it was like the end of March. But you know, it's worth it for $30. It is a synthetic wig, but I just wanted to try the color out because I want to actually buy a real human wig that is this color, but I just didn't know if it was gonna look right on me. But yeah, so I'm gonna let y'all be the judge of it. Out of 5 stars, I give this probably like I'll give this like 3.5 stars, because one, it's like it tangles very easily, and it does shed. It does, like it's been shedding. I ain't gonna lie to you, it's been shedding. But and then two, it took too long to get here. I don't know if it was because of what's going on, I don't know, but that's just too long. Like, that's almost 3 months. But yeah, it's soft. I must say it's soft. It just tangles. Yeah, it's really tangly. And you can do like a middle part with it, or you can do like a whatever. It's not, I wouldn't consider it a free part because you can't really part it. It just kind of goes to whatever side you want it to, but you can't like do a defined part in it. But what else? It's 22 inches. This didn't even glue down right here. But this is something you wear like for a video. I don't know if I would wear it out. If I wore this wig out, I would wear like a baseball cap with it, or this is something you take pictures in to look cute, or you know, you can wear it, throw it on, put it, you know, put your baseball cap on with it. But yeah, I wouldn't wear this, just I don't know. And you can flat iron it, but I mean, it don't really do any justice because it just tangles. I'm just gonna keep it real with y'all, it tangles. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know in the comments if you want me to subscribe to your channel. You know, I'm all about supporting one another. You know, your girl is almost at 1,000 yes subscribers. I am so happy. I'm so overwhelmed, and that's just like a little milestone. You know, I'm happy. I was happy when I got to 100 subscribers. So you know what I'm saying, guys, your girl is coming up in the world, honey. But I'm not gonna keep rambling. I'm gonna let y'all be the judges here, and let's get into